Now I am going to discuss the transport phenomena thermal conduction. In thermal conduction, transport of energy will take place, and to find out coefficient of thermal conduction, consider a gaseous system having three parallel horizontal planes AB, CD and GF. Each molecule in this CD layer will have the energy E, and as we go upside, then the energy of molecule will increase, and in top layer the energy of each molecule is E plus lambda dE upon dz, and if as we go downward direction, then energy of each molecule will decrease and it will be E minus lambda dE upon dz, where lambda is mean free path, and here for convenience I have taken the separation distance between these two layers lambda. So if we consider all three layers, then we can see that energy of the molecule is increasing continuously. N is number of molecules per unit volume and B bar is average speed. So NB bar upon 6 number of molecules crossing CD middle layer upwards or downwards per unit area per second. So energy carried downward by molecules crossing unit area of the plane CD per unit time from plane GF equals to NB bar upon 6 E plus lambda dE upon dz. This is equation number 1. Similarly, molecules going upward from plane AB, NB bar upon 6 E minus lambda dE upon dz, and this is equation number 2. So from these two equations, net energy transfer downwards NB bar upon 6 E plus lambda dE upon dz minus NB bar upon 6 E minus lambda dE upon dz, and this will give NB bar upon 3 lambda dE upon dz. This is equation number 3. Now if Cb is specific heat of gas and T is the temperature, then E equals to mCbT, heat energy of a molecule. Then from equation number 3 and 4, net energy transferred per unit area per second equals to Mn upon 3 Cb bar lambda dt upon dz. This is equation number 5. So coefficient of thermal conductivity K of gas equals to Mn upon 3 Mn upon 3 Cv V bar lambda dt upon dz upon dt upon dz. So this will give the value 1 upon 3 Mn V bar lambda Cv, and from this equation we can find out other these relations. If lambda equals to 1 upon root 2 pi d square n, and replacing this value k equals to m b bar cv upon 3 root 2 pi d square, which shows that k is directly proportional to root t, and we can also find out the relation k upon eta equals to cv. Thank you. K upon eta equals to Cv. Thank you.